अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में बात करूंगा चैप्टर नंबर 5 11 क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स। इससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि मैंने सेकंड ईयर के फ़िज़िक्स के इस चैनल के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस अपलोड किए थे, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो पेपर आया था बिल्कुल उसके मुताबिक आएगा। तो इंशाल्लाह चैप्टर नंबर 5 के ये जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है जो पेपर वाइज आएगा, इस चैप्टर में से जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो पेपर आपका इजीली अटेंड हो जाएगा। आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप चाहें तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, लाइक कर सकते हैं और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। लेट्स मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, प्रूव दैट 1 रेडियन इज इक्वल टू 5.57.3 degree. Question number 2, what is difference between real and apparent weight? Question number 3, show that S is equal to R theta. Question number 4, show that V is equal to R omega. Question number 5, write an example to illustrate law of conservation of angular momentum. Question number 6, show that orbital angular momentum L naught is equal to mvr. Question number 7, is any work done by centripetal force? Question number 8, prove that A is equal to R alpha. Question number 9, explain difference between tangential velocity and angular velocity if one of these given for wheel of PF known radius. How will you find others? Question number 10, explain what is meant by centripetal force and why it must be furnished to an object if the object to follow a circular path. Question number 11, what is moment of inertia? Explain its significance. Question number 12, what is meant by angular momentum? Explain law of conservation of angular momentum. Question number 13, define weightlessness and gravity free system. Question number 14, when a mud flies off the tire of moving bicycle, in what direction does it fly? Question number 15, a disc and hoop start moving down from the top of an inclined plane at the same time, which will be moving faster on reaching the bottom. Question number 16, why does a driver change his body position before and after dividing in the pool? Question number 17, what is difference between spin angular momentum and orbital angular momentum? Question number 18, find the velocity of a disc rolls down along an inclined plane of height 10 meter. Question number 19, state the direction of the following vector in simple situation: angular momentum, angular velocity. Let's moving towards the most important long question of this chapter. Question number 1, centripetal force is very important. Question number 2, real and apparent weight is very important. Question number 3, rotational kinetic energy is very important. Let's moving towards the most important numericals of this chapter. Question number 5.2, 5.6, 5.7 and example 5.2 and 5.5. Best of luck and Allah Hafiz.